Grinderscape. I'm back, motherfuckers! Deal with it! Anyway, since I'm back, I sort of don't have anything, I don't believe. Just random shit accumulated over years. My other accounts are fucking empty, so no chance with those. So I'm gonna try and make some money. And I think the fastest way right now... Oh, look, it's Alexis. I think claws. I saw claws selling quite well. Everybody's buying claws. So I'm guessing claws are pretty good right now. The only place I remember where the best way to get claws is tormented demons. But I don't know if they fixed it. Because you used to be able to safe spot them. Sorry, Ronald, but the mechanics in tormented demons are shit and should get fixed. But I should have... No, I don't even have the crystals you need to get there. Well, mage. I need to get mage, I think. Infinity was shit. I need to get fucking ropes. Okay, demon's good. Yeah, I need to get the arcane stream. So, for the next few days, or installments, I am going to set some goals. Okay, so let's say I get arcane stream plus mage set, so that includes SOL. Fuck. One set of claws from tormented demons. What the fuck, tormented demons? Whatever. Okay, and then some rules. No staking. No dicing. No rage. No instigating staff. Clean jail too. And I think that's fair. That's fair. So I think we should get started. Let's go. Let's go. Anyway, let's do this. Fuck off. Okay, take 2 overloads. I don't even have fucking barrel skulls. What is this shit? I'll just pray the entire time. Yep. So what's changed in Grinderscape? What's different from when I used to play? Like, can you still like I mean, well, what's different? Like, I remember you can still overload glitch, which is you overload a new telly and then it won't damage you. See? No damage. It's broken. But like, what's changed? Tell me, guys. Like, I have no fucking idea. Yeah, that's true. Like, most people won't even know who I am, but it doesn't matter. Like, how's the server? Like, fuck, it's changed so much. At least from what I know. So like, fuck. Who's still around? Like, also like, I've seen some familiar faces here. Like, but who got banned? Was there any drama? Has anything changed severely, or I don't know. I've noticed like it is a bit unresponsive at times, but maybe that's because I'm on the web client right now. But anyway, like let me know, guys. Like, just I'm gonna post this on the forums. This is just like my opening video, and I'll make some of these like every few days or so. Just a few rants, you know, just talking about certain things I see. Just seeing, you know, just like, cause I'm still getting into the server. You know, I haven't been here in ages, but like I have been here for like, I don't know, just like 6 years strong now. Well, with breaks of course, but I mean little changes like even the drop table. You know, just let me know about it. I'll be interested. So just so you guys know a little bit about me, I'm just gonna give you guys a brief overview for all you new people. So my name is Skillofdoom, and I am a player. I've been a player since 2008, when the server first started. I was one of the first people that found the server, back when it was called Grinderscape, back in the day. And I just enjoyed it, but back then it was different. There were customs. It wasn't necessarily so high tech as it is today. Like, it was a pure 317, like just with a lot of add-ons. Anyway, I played for a long time. I became known for PKing. I became known for community drama. Cause yeah, I was an asshole. I used to be an admin, but yeah, that was back in the day, and those were not good times. And I don't know, I caused drama. I got banned quite a few times. I'm sort of infamous among the staff. Like, if you read my welcome back thread, they're always anticipating when I'm making my next farewell thread. Or yeah, just I don't know. And I'm sort of like, you know, the odd one. The odd one. But anyway, that's me. I have 3 accounts. They're all pretty, well, were relatively famous for different reasons. Partly because I used to help out Rashid in return for in-game items. Like, I would find backdoors to the server and the website, and yeah, just like little things like that. And then I'd help out with client testing, but just, I don't know. Like, I always did it for the server, but then again, I guess I did it for the items too, because I knew I could get them. But I've sort of realized that now. That's why I'm starting off from the beginning and going for it. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this episode off at this, just like an introduction. So, like, let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see more. Let me know if you know, like I said, let me know what changed in the server so I get like a better understanding. And I'm gonna be working towards the goal. And that's it. Thanks, guys. Catch you later.